Here's how to calculate a car loan in Excel. Open a new worksheet. Create labels for the cells in A1 down through A6 as follows. Enter the amounts for each item from your proposed car loan in cells B1 down through B5. Calculate the amount financed in cell B6 by entering this in the cell. Press Enter. Make labels for the loan details in cells D1 down through D4 as follows. Fill in the information for the loan details in cells E1 down through E3. Figure the payment amount by entering the following formula in cell E4. Add up the total interest paid over the life of the loan in cell E5 by entering the following formula. Press Enter. Review your entries and results and make adjustments to the variables. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.